Steady. Steady. No, heel. 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 Come. Good. Come. Good boy. Heel. Steady. Try this one. You should know this one, I think. Wait. No. Wait. Oh. Sort of. Okay. Heel. Joe, just show how tight this is. Show my fingers. Can you get my fingers there? Can you see the white in my fingers? With him pulling, right? Heel. Heel. Okay, that'll do. Oh. And we'll take him up again. Heel. And again. You alright, Joe? So we're going to stop him here, right? Wait. So we don't need to do anything other than say the command. Good. Now I should be able to go like this. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, he's got to stay where he is. Alright? And I can go like this. It doesn't matter. I'll walk past. Wait. Good. That's what the command means. The command means stay where you are. And now I'm going to pick his lead up. Heel. That's what that command means. And again, wait. Oh, I gave it a tiny little reminder there on the lead. Doesn't matter. No big deal. Come back in. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Because he wants to go down to see Leo. Leo, can you just come out and stand in the middle of the road? You just wait there, babe. Good. Heel. He's coming with me. Good. Heel. Wait. I'm going to test it. Come. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. We're taking this way towards you, Joe. Heel. Good boy. Wait. The command sounds sharp at the minute. The command sounds like quite, you know, commanding and gruff or whatever, or masculine or whatever. It doesn't need to. It doesn't need to. It's just at the moment I want it to mean something, mean something, mean something. Then I can drop it down. I can weaken it. I can make it just a, wait. I can make it whatever I want. But at the moment it's just a sound. It's just a sound that means do this. And look at it. So I'll call him in. Wait. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good. I don't like the fact that he broke on the good. Me being the sort of like, you know, what's the word that I'm looking for? I don't know. I'm perfectionist, if you like. I said G-O-O-D and he broke. I don't like that. So I'm going to say, bring him forward again. Heel. Wait. And again, the weight is given in quite a commanding tone. Right, so I'm going to say to him, come, wait. Good. Good. That's better. So I could mark that with a yes if I wanted to. Good. Good boy. So we'll take the lead. We'll take him down towards Leo. Heel. And we'll drop him again. Wait. Good. But notice how I'm just using my voice, the tone of my voice, to say to him, I'm giving a correction there. But it's been paired with a check lead. So it means something. It basically adds emphasis to what I'm saying. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Wait. Good. So I'm going to leave him there. And I'll walk past him. And I'm going to turn and I'll walk past him. Very close. Good. And this time I'm going to bring him with me. Heel. Good boy. Good boy, Heel. Good boy. Good. Yay! And that'll do. That's enough. How many corrections do you see? How much punishment do you see? How much pain do you see? How much aversive usage do you see? That's how dogs learn. Along with positive reinforcement, that is how headstrong dogs learn. Thank you.